In a cozy little bedroom with glow-in-the-dark stars on the walls, there lived a curious child named Leo.
In the night, we glow so bright.
Leo loved bedtime stories, but he loved the feeling of a new adventure even more.
Whisper softly in your ear.
One quiet night, when the moon was round and bright, a tiny owl landed on the windowsill with feathers that shimmered like moonlight.
Hear your heart.
"Psst, Leo," whispered the owl. "I am Hoot Whiz, and I have come from the Cloud Kingdom." Leo sat up at once, his blanket gathered around his shoulders like a cape. "The great Starlight Compass has stopped shining," said Hoot Whiz. "Without its glow, the Sandman cannot find the soft paths that lead sweet dreams to sleeping children." Leo looked at the little owl and smiled gently. "Then we should help." Hoot Whiz bowed so low that his silver wings brushed the sill. "Your kindness may be just what we need."
With you, love, there's nothing to fear.
With a soft flutter and a sprinkle of sparkles, Hoot Whiz grew large enough for Leo to ride on his back.
Love ignites a hopeful spark.
Together they floated through the open window and climbed into the night sky. Soon they reached the sky forest, where the trees had pink leaves like spun sugar and silver bells for blossoms. At the edge of a sleeping pond, Leo found a ring of little starfish shining under the water. To make them giggle, Hoot Whiz said, "We only need something gentle and cheerful." Leo thought for a moment, then hummed this mother often sang while folding blankets. He dipped one finger into the pond and made the tiniest ripple.
Dreams are weaving.